English Phonics Stage 1 book will be published soon. This book is for kindergarten students and for toddlers. In this group, I have introduced all the 42 sounds which are categorized by different groups. In each group, I shared some activities regarding the phonemic awareness, and at the end of each group, I also listed the vocabulary words for the segmenting and blending activities. Let's see the group 1. In group 1, we have 6 sounds. For each sound, I shared some activity that is related with the phonemic awareness. Like circle the picture starts with S. So your child has to recognize which image starts with S. And here is some activity grid in which your child has to identify the S sound. Next, A, T, I, P, N. And at the end of this group, I shared a list of words which will help your child in segmenting and blending the sounds which are particularly related with the group 1. For example, S, A, T, sat. But before that, I shared 2-letter words because for segmenting and blending of 3-letter words, it is necessary that your child can segment and blend 2-letter words. So this is a complete book basically, and in this book I also shared some words which have some consonant blends. But for the consonant blends, what you have to do, you have to ask your child that read those words after reading the list of words present in this table. So subscribe Little Souls and follow us on Insta, TikTok and Facebook. Thank you.